For a long time, the only way to get serious power was through gunpowder. But by 2026, technology has changed. Engineers are now using air pressure, magnets, and high-tech materials to create tools that are incredibly strong and very quiet. These designs aren't about making noise. They are about precision, physics, and being prepared. Today, we are looking at 15 tools that show how far we've come. We will start with compact safety tools and end with a machine that has more power than many traditional rifles, all without using a single drop of chemicals. We begin with the Grimberg T-Wire. Many people think that tools labeled as less lethal are just toys made of plastic. The T-Wire proves that assumption wrong. It is built with the same high-quality parts you would find on a professional firearm, giving it a very solid feel. It uses a regulated air tank to launch projectiles with 65 joules of energy. This is designed for home defense, providing a way to protect your family and deter an intruder even if they are wearing thick layers of clothing. It offers a responsible balance between safety and strength for about $600. Next is the Gammo Swarm Magnum. A common mistake is thinking that break barrel air rifles are too slow because you have to load them one shot at a time. This model uses a special 10-shot magazine that loads a pellet automatically every time you cock the barrel. It can send a projectile flying at 1,650 feet per second. People choose this for property maintenance and pest control because it is fast, reliable, and much simpler to maintain than other high-power systems. Number 13 is the Coil Accelerator GEN. Most people think electromagnetic weapons are just things you see in science fiction movies. This is a real-world tool that uses electric coils instead of explosives to launch metal discs. Because there is no fire or expanding gas, it is almost completely silent and has no recoil. It even has a digital screen to control how much power you want to use. It is chosen by those who want the ultimate stealth tool that requires almost no cleaning or maintenance. The Hatsan Velox is our next item. Some people believe that air-powered pistols can't be used for serious tasks. The Velox changes that by using a high-pressure air cylinder that allows for semi-automatic shooting. It fires a .25 caliber pellet at 580 feet per second. This is a favorite for people who want a powerful, fast-shooting tool in a small handheld size. It's perfect for those who value being able to stay on target without having to stop and reload after every single shot. Moving to number 11, we have the Strike Industries ARC. Many people dismiss training tools as being just for kids. However, this CO2-powered pistol is built to look and feel exactly like a professional duty weapon. It has a crisp recoil that helps you practice how to handle a real firearm safely. It is highly gas efficient, getting about 90 shots per cartridge. Professionals use this to keep their skills sharp and their muscle memory fast without the high cost or noise of a traditional range. The Crosman DPMS SBR is next. People often think air rifles are only meant for slow, careful shots. This rifle can fire in full auto mode at a rate of 1,400 rounds per minute. It uses 2 CO2 cartridges to provide a realistic blowback feeling. People choose the DPMS for training and skill development because it allows you to practice tactical movements and rapid fire in a way that feels very authentic but is much easier to manage at home. Number 9 is the FN303 Tactical. Usually people think defensive launchers are just for hobbies. This system was actually designed for military and police use. It uses compressed air to fire projectiles very accurately up to 50 meters away. It is famous for having no flash, no heat, and no recoil. Because it is made by a world-class defense company, it is the top choice for security professionals who need a tool they can trust when things get serious. The AEA Harpoon takes things in a more specialized direction. You might think you are stuck with one caliber when you buy a launcher, but the Harpoon lets you swap between different barrels, from .45 all the way up to .72 caliber. It uses very high air pressure to create a lot of force in a short package. It is chosen by survivalists and outdoorsmen who need a tool that can be changed to fit whatever job they are doing that day. At number 7 is the Hatsan Hercules Bully. A common complaint about big air rifles is that they are too long and too loud. This uses a bullpup design, which means the mechanical parts are in the back, making the whole thing much shorter and easier to carry. It also has a special shroud that makes the shot 50% quieter. It's a powerful heavy-duty rifle that is perfect for those who need to work in the woods or on a farm without making a lot of noise. The Air Force Texan is known for its long-range capability. People often assume that air-powered tools can't be accurate at a distance. The Texan proved them wrong by becoming one of the most respected big-bore rifles in the world. It is made of solid metal and is built for pure performance. It can launch a projectile at 960 feet per second with incredible accuracy. This is chosen by marksmen who want the power of a rifle but prefer the quiet, clean nature of high-pressure air. Number 5 is the Pyxen JPX2. Many people think all liquid defense tools are just simple spray cans. This device is different because it uses a mechanical trigger to fire a jet of liquid at 180 miles per hour. This speed means the liquid isn't blown back by the wind or washed away by rain. It is a very reliable tool for personal safety that can be carried discreetly and used with confidence even in bad weather. The Sabre Home Defense Launcher is next. People sometimes think they have to get close to a threat to stop it. This launcher lets you manage a situation from 60 feet away. When the projectile hits a surface, it bursts into a large pepper cloud that makes it very hard for an intruder to stay in the area. It's an excellent choice for home security because it gives you a way to defend your space from a safe distance without needing a firearm. Number 3 is the Razor Chain Whip. Some people look at chain tools and think they are just loose and messy. This one is engineered with 21 stainless steel discs that fit together like a spine. This makes the movement very smooth and predictable. While it is often used for display, its design shows how high-quality materials can make a mechanical tool much more effective and easier to handle. The Excalibur Assassin Extreme is a modern version of an ancient idea. People used to think crossbows were too heavy and hard to pull back. This model has a built-in crank that makes it feel like you are only pulling 12 pounds. It is extremely quiet and can hit targets accurately up to 100 yards away. It is the perfect tool for someone who wants the silence of a bow with the accuracy and ease of use of a modern rifle. Finally, we reach number 1, the AEA Zeus Gen 2. The biggest misconception is that air can never be as strong as gunpowder. The Zeus is the most powerful mass-produced air rifle in existence. It fires a massive .72 caliber slug with 1,800 foot-pounds of energy. That is more power than many traditional hunting rounds. It is a heavy, serious machine built for the absolute maximum amount of force. It represents the very top of what is possible with modern engineering today. All of these tools show that we are entering a new era of design. By understanding physics and using better materials, we can achieve incredible results in a way that is quiet, clean, and controlled. Whether you are looking at the high-tech magnets of a coil gun or the massive air pressure of the Zeus, the world of non-gunpowder tools has never been more impressive. When you look at these designs, which approach do you think is the most useful? The high-tech silence of magnets or the raw massive power of compressed air?